Hi childrens, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw an ice cream. Okay, let's start. Draw a slanting line, downside line, two lines, cone shape, and at the top of that draw a straight line. Again on both the corners draw a small straight line. At the top center draw a circle like this. And from one side of a circle draw another circle. Similarly, draw a circle on another side too. And now inside a circle draw a small curve like this. And now at the top of first and third circle draw a slanting line like this, two layer line, two lines and closed lines. Again two lines on the third circle, and inside this layer draw a straight line. Inside a cone draw a side slanting line like this. Again opposite lines. And now we have drawn an ice cream. You can also try this by seeing and drawing. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this.